I'm showing all my parts that I ordered off of Amazon to rebuild my free wood chipper. Um, I got a new gas tank, as you can see right here, and I'm showing the carburetor bowl that's integrated into the fuel tank. Has the governor assembly. It's a mechanical governor assembly. Also had to order a new carburetor, and I'm switching all the linkages over. I forgot to cut my microphone on, and I'm hoping that I'm recording the audio over. I'm just trying to figure out the gasket now, which gasket's going to fit. I got all this stuff. It was all free. The wood chipper, the old gas tank, the old carburetor. It was all in like a milk crate. And I had to figure out how to put everything back together. So it's not really hard. More aggravating than anything, because I didn't know if I had all the pieces, all the nuts and bolts and screws. But as you can see there on the kitchen table, don't tell Melissa, I have a magnetic tray that I put all the nuts and bolts and screws and springs and linkages all together so they wouldn't get lost. But what it is there, that carburetor, it goes to a 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. The part number is, or for the engine number is like a 130212, I think. Common engine, and this is a very common problem. So hopefully I can continue to get all this stuff together. April has been the month of sickness for my family. The kids have had a wonderful stomach virus twice now, and Cadence is now in a boot. His left foot. He did something to a growth plate in his left foot. Nothing's broken, but kid's accident prone. But just bear with me and continue to watch here as I try to figure out how to get all this stuff back together. Let's see. Mostly I'm just trying to figure out the different linkage setups and everything. But I'm going to go on and stop the narration and just let some fast forward go on the video. I'm going to speed it up and try to get down to the videos that do have audio.
In my dreams, I laugh and smoke. Everybody screams, we tell them jokes. I like to gamble, sure don't ever lose. Got a closet full of pinstripes, 3-piece suits. I pull aces, you pull twos. When I wake up, I don't know what to do. I battle demons, dead of the night. I don't come home, the sun.
Alright, I think I might have got it figured out now. Let's see if I can get it adjusted down a little bit there. Alright. I found a screw here. It's not exactly what was on the other carburetor, but that there should work. it looks like it's gonna allow for the motion that it needs. Now I just got to try to find a star drive. I don't know if I have any star drives. Well, I hate that you guys missed it, but the dogs were barking and everything else. I ended up taking, I just couldn't get a good turn on them with this. So I hooked up the old Dremel here and cut it and put it in this so I could get a little bit more. I just didn't have enough to push down and turn and all that good stuff. So, I mean, these are just a little cheap. I think Harbor Freight is where I got these, so they're probably like $2 or $3. I tried to put I don't know if you can see that or not. You can put some little screws, like machine screws, in here, and you thread them in and you squeeze them and it'll clip them. Well, not these. Probably because that, I don't know if you can see it, that right there, that's probably why you're not able to do that. I think these are just a cheap little Harbor Freight set that I got. Not too big of a deal, I don't guess. I mean, it's just a few dollars here and there for cheap stuff like that. And they'll more than likely get the job done, but sometimes they don't. I'm just gonna get this apart here. This is a pretty nice little Dremel tool. I actually bought it for my wife, for her to do her fingernails and such. But she likes it. I think she says she likes it because I got it for her. But I think in all reality, I think it's a little too cumbersome because I got the flex shaft for it, so you know she could sit there and do whatever she needs to do, but I think it's a little bit too much for her needs for doing her fingy nails. But I got that on. I just hope everything else goes together nicely. I was able to, I disassembled a treadmill. I wanted to do a treadmill, like battery charger, wind turbine with the treadmill motor. These are just all extra. I don't throw away anything. It's just all extra nuts, bolts, screws, washers, you name it. Just kind of my extra stuff there. Let's see. There's all my linkages in here. I gotta go pick my son up from school, so I'm trying to clean up now, and I gotta go get him and put these guys up. This is Sparky. He's old. Look at that old face. He's a good boy. You're not? Well, let's go get the boy from school. Clean up my tools. How you like that fancy little toolbox there? I got tired of carrying
5-gallon buckets back and forth and just having a jumbled up mess. So now I got a jumbled up mess with a lid. It works pretty good. It was only like $4 at the old Home Depot a while back. It's been a while. They're probably not on sale there no more. It was like $2, $3, $4. I don't know, something like that. But woo, got that on. One step closer to getting my free wood chipper running. Well, it wasn't exactly free. This carburetor was $18. This fuel tank, I want to say, was like $16. Or not $16, good lord. $60 or $70. I'm losing my mind. But I will try to get this thing together some more. If I get it on video, good. If I don't, I'm sorry. I'll try to do another update here soon. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. But y'all have a good day. Thanks.